Hello everyone and welcome to Literacy Grade R. I'm Yolandi and this is Boobe. Are you guys ready for some fun? We are going to continue with our letters, our rhyme and counting to 5 and parts of our body. We are also going to learn about emotions and boy do we have so many of those. Right, are you ready to sing hello? H is for hello, 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 hello. Can you wave hello, 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 hello. Wave hello to your left and wave hello to your right. Hello, hello. Booby says hello. Hello, grade R's, and welcome. So, we have been doing the 3 little pigs, and I'm sure my wolves and piggies at home are enjoying themselves. Remember, we had how many piggies? 1, 2, and 3. But there are 3 other words that also tells us first, 1, second, 2, and third, number 3. So remember in our story, we heard the words, the first piggy went and built a house of straw. Then we heard the second piggy went and built a house of sticks. And then we talked about our clever third piggy who built a house of bricks. So there are 3 very nice words that also tells us 1, something came first, 2, something came second, and 3, something happened third. Okay, so that's another way of going 1, 2, and 3, but we don't count that way. It's just another way of saying it in stories. So another way of thinking about it is if we run a race, I don't come number 1, number 2, and number 3, but I come first, second, or third. Right, so staying with our theme of piggies for the week, I have another rhyme for you. It is this little piggy. So let's do it together. You are going to use your fingers. You can also do this on your toes. Normally it's done on your toes and then your parents can tickle the bottom of your toes. But today we are going to use our hand. So this little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home, like we are all doing now, right? Okay. This little piggy had roast beef. Oh, yum, 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 yum. And this little piggy had none. Oh, no. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. Do you want to do that again? So remember, there is 5 little piggies and 5 fingers. So listen again. I'm going to say first and then you repeat. This little piggy went to the market. Your turn. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. Your turn. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. Can you go yum, 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 yum? This little piggy had roast beef. And this little piggy had none. Can you be sad? This little piggy had none. And this little piggy, our little small one, went wee, 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 all the way home. Can you cry? And this little piggy cried wee, 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 all the way home. Did you get that? Good job, everyone. So let's unpack our little piggy rhyme. So if we look at our picture, can you see all the different little ones? there is a piggy with a basket. That obviously is going to the market. Okay? Maybe going to sell some stuff, or he's already been and he shopped a lot. Who shops a lot in your house? Do you know? Then we have a piggy reading something at home. He's staying at home with his glasses. Okay? Like you are right now. Remember, we're all staying at home. Are you having fun at home? Then we are also all eating at home. Can you say yum, yum, yum? Because that little piggy had roast beef. Have you ever had roast? Okay, so what is roast beef? Okay, that is what we get from cows. Okay, so beef comes from cows. Okay, then that little piggy looks sort of like, what's happening to me? The fourth piggy says, I'm getting none. Huh? What's happened? What about me? And then there's a little piggy that is walking down the path, going all the way home, going wee, wee, wee. Are you ready to do it all together? Let's go. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. Yum, 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 yum. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. So, guys, how many piggies is in our rhyme? Let's see if Boo Bear knows. Boo Bear, do you know how many piggies are in our rhyme? He says we should count together. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 little piggies. 5. That is the number 5. But you guys are all clever. You know your numbers by now because we've also done them in the other grade R class and in some of our other lessons. Do you recognize the numbers? So 5, very important, is F for 5. Remember our F for fire? This is our F for 5. So, how many fingers do you have in one hand? Remember I helped you earlier? Let's see if you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also have 5 fingers, just like our little piggy. How many toes do you have on one foot? Can you guys count your toes for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 fingers and 5 toes. Do you see all 5 our toes? Okay, so what letter does our toes start with, guys? Can it be? Yes, you're right. It is T for toes. What color is that T or the T? That's right. It's the color blue. B for blue. What letter does our finger start with? That's right. Fingers. F for fingers. Our 5 fingers. So remember the word 5 and the word fingers both start with F, the same as our fire. Okay, are you guys ready for a game? So we've done lots of different emotions in this game. So let's try. There is our rhyme again. So we are going to say our rhyme, but we're also going to add an emotion. So this little piggy went to the market is just normal. Okay, so can you have a normal face? Then this little piggy stayed home, okay, is the same. Do you mind being at home? Just a normal face. But then the next one is this little piggy had roast beef. Do you like roast beef? I like roast beef. So now I am happy. Do you see happy? Can you be happy? Okay, can you smile? Right. Our next one, our ring finger, that piggy looks sad. Can you make a sad face? Can you make a sad face? Because he had no food. Okay, so sad face. Okay. And then our small pinky, can you cry like that, Piggy? Can you go? Can you cry? There you go. So guys, can you do the different emotions for me? Can you be happy? Can you smile? Can you be sad? Can you cry? When do we also cry? Do we cry when we're hurt? Do you think our wolf cried in our Three Little Pigs story? I think so. He went "ah-wee" because his tail burnt. So do you think he cried? Maybe. He was definitely sad. Was our Three Little Pigs happy when they could stay in their brick house? What do you think? Do you think they were happy? I think they smiled and laughed and were very happy. Okay, right. So let's look at our letters. So can you tell me, is that a sad piggy? Is it a crying piggy? Or is it a happy piggy? That's right, it's this for sad piggy. So sad is spelled with a S. Remember, right at the beginning, we did for snake. Okay, so this one is the same, for sad. Okay, is that piggy happy or sad or crying? Yes, it's a happy piggy, a dancing happy piggy because yum, 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 I am getting food. It's a happy piggy. H for happy. Or remember our H for hot or H for house. We are learning lots of words, guys. Is that piggy sad? It is sad. But is it crying or is it happy? It's crying. Okay, it's crying all the way home. So K for crying. Remember, we also learned K for cold or K for cat. Do you remember my two cats that I showed you right at the beginning? Yes. So K for crying. You guys are very intelligent. Well done. So, what are we going to practice at home? Parents, it is very important to learn your little one's emotions, and especially during this time, we are not always sure how to express ourselves. So how about you build an emotion chart at home with a sad face and a happy face and an unsure face and a crying face or a hurt face. Find different types of emotions, make faces, and maybe you can use it as a chart so that when we don't know how to express ourselves, we can use our emotion chart to figure out what is going on or how we feel, because sometimes it's difficult with lots of words. Okay, so practice to count to 5 and make an emotion chart. Play the little piggy rhyme, okay? Draw the rhyme. Can you guys go take your fingers for me, okay? All 5 fingers, and draw the different faces on. So can you draw a normal face for me on your first 2? Can you then go draw a happy face, a big smiling happy face on finger number 3? Can you go draw a sad face on finger number 4? And on finger number 5, draw tears, draw a crying face. Guys, you can also make finger puppets, okay? So you can take paper, make the faces on, paste it, and like a rubber band or something, put it around your little fingers. Okay, so make finger puppets, okay? Act out the rhyme with our emotions. Emotions is very important to learn to understand. And then make a memory game. Match the letters and emotions and our little piggies together, as well as our letters and numbers and the start of our words. And don't forget to continue to try and write and trace your name. Okay, so guys, very important. Tomorrow, I need you to bring something to your lesson because we are going to get a little bit dirty. So parents, prep your room. Make sure there's a space where your kids can be a little bit messy, okay? We are going to need paper and crayons or pencils, and pens is also fine. We are going to need someone to help, okay? We are going to need a Tupperware lid or a bowl. You can take a bowl or a cardboard or something, because we want you to put cake flour or flour, or if you don't have cake flour, loose sand is also fine. So anything that we can make shapes and numbers and stuff in it. So join us tomorrow while we have fun with some texture and different types of pictures. I'm continuing with our same quote. The more that you read, the more things you'll know. The more you learn, the more places you will go. Remember last week we said that learning is the best, playing is the best form of learning, education, or research from Albert Einstein. Please read. Please read your little ones' stories, and please have fun. Play, 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 because that is how we learn. There's our resources for today. See you tomorrow. Remember to bring your stuff. We are going to have fun and be a little messy. Are you ready to say goodbye? Goodbye, goodbye. We had some fun. We had some fun today. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Now let's go and play. Bye, everyone. Please send all your pictures and photos and everything you're making to Africa Teen Geeks on Twitter and Facebook. We'd love to see it. Thank you to everyone that's making this possible. Thank you to African Teen Geeks. Keep reading, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.